In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. First of all, go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen twice. Like that. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it, don't worry, just tap on this icon of a pen. Scroll and look for location over here. Then add it by tapping on this plus icon. Swipe up, hold it and place it wherever you wish to. I will place it here. Then go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner and finally click on the location shortcut. If you see this pop up, you need to select close to disable location. So when I tap and go back, my shortcut turned gray. That means that location is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same shortcut until it's blue. Quick tip, you can always go into settings, scroll to choose location section available here, and then manage it thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!